holiday season is approaching, and holiday can't be holiday without drinking some nice, refreshing, rich sorrel juice. Now I have here 10 pounds of sorrel. Now I'm gonna try a way I've never tried this way before, where I add orange and lime, but this one we're not gonna use any alcohol. If you want to see how I make sorrel with alcohol, refer to my video from last year. It's there. It have alcohol. This one not gonna have any alcohol, and this one is gonna be so refreshing because we're going to do it with orange and lime. Alright guys, stick around. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Now guys, if is it that you have the dry sorrel, you can use maybe 3 bags. I'm not even sure the pound that is in the dry sorrel. I've never used it before, but if you don't have the fresh sorrel, you can always use the dry one. Alright, so we're going to go in with our sorrel first. And in the pot, I added 2 cups of water. I want to add most of the sorrel first, because if I add the water to the pot, then the sorrel can't hold, right? So I have here in all 15 cups of water. And this make a good enough amount of juice. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my lime, my ginger, and I'm using 1 thumb of ginger, right? My cinnamon sticks and cloves. And my orange. You want to steep this for in the water here. Let it bring to a boil for about 20 minutes, and then you turn it off. What I like to do, I like to make it seep overnight, right? So we're not going to finish the sorrel juice today. We're going to finish it the next day, right? Because I like it everything to be seeped out, all the flavors come together, and proceed afterwards, right? So you can cover your pot. Let's take a look now guys, and this is after 30 minutes of boiling. Now you can see everything looking nice. If you prefer to go ahead and take it off and not seep it, it's fine, but this is how I grew up doing it. My mommy would always boil it and then she let it stay there overnight, right? But if you can always skip that part and sweeten it, but me just do same thing, right? The only thing I did different from growing up, as I said earlier, was adding the orange and the lime skin. And I don't doubt the flavor of it, because citrus have a nice flavor. All right guys, so I'm gonna let it stay for a few hours overnight, and then we return to it. And this is it guys. The sorrel has been seeping for overnight, and it looks lovely, smell lovely. I don't know if you realize, but me take out a cup already for drink. I couldn't wait. Sorrel, Christmas can't be Christmas guys without sorrel. I just think it just have an amazing smell. It smells so nice and lovely, right? Now what I'm going to do now, you see the sorrel change color. What some people do as well, they blend it in water, so you don't have to steep it if you don't want to, but I like to steep mine. So what I'm going to do now is to just remove the liquid from the flowers. And remember, we said this one is going to be alcohol free this year, but you can always, if you want to, you can always feel free to add your alcohol in it. And the alcohol of choice, I'm not promoting any alcohol here, is the Jerry and nephew, right? So we're going to sweeten, and you sweeten to taste, and you can also sweeten with whatever sweetener you prefer. I'm using sugar. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, this smells so lovely. And look here, this can make tea too, you know. The first time I had sorrel tea was in England. Tastes very nice, just the same. Oh my gosh. Christmas is an amazing time, even though it's, you know, COVID time. We still can spend a lot of time with our family. And if you haven't spent a lot of time with your family and get to know them each in different ways, guys, I recommend that you use this time and get to know your families, right? Or your family member, or your children. There you have it, guys, a nice glass of sorrel juice. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Happy holidays.